Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time coming across this channel, please do not make it your last. Okay, stick with us and join the family. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you guys for always coming back. So you all remember the hair tea I made. I told you guys that I was going to blend this because it has its own job to do. So that is what we are about to do. So all you have to do is to blend, which I have done that. So I am just training out the whole content. Yep. I don't know. I don't know if the English is correct. Yeah, it should be. Okay. So I'm just straining it out. This is what it looks like. It looks so juicy. Yeah, it looks good. So after I strained it out, I don't know guys, this English, well, you all should manage me because I'm not an English girl. So after I strained it out, so I went ahead and added oil, which is jojoba oil. I added it because you wouldn't want your hair to be dried, because we are working against dried hair. So after that, I went ahead and used the aloe vera. Is it the back? Well, there was gel there, so I just use it to scrub my scalp very well and to also use it to scrub my hair. Yeah, I know, to just get those dirty and build up off. Yeah, it will really help. And also, if you want to get back, like if we want to get that shiny look back to your hair, guys, you should try this treatment because that is the main reason of this treatment. You are going to get that your shiny hair back. As you can see, my hair looks dried, so there is not much mixture and I have to get it into my hair. So if you want to get that shiny look, just do this treatment and guys, thank me later. So guys, I actually mixed some clip of this video. Yeah, I did. So I went ahead and applied the mixture that I blended. So I left it on for 30 minutes before washing it off. Yes, so it will serve as a detangler and a deep conditioner. Protein, like guys, this thing did a whole lot of job. So but first of all, it serves as a detangler. Yep. So after this, I will cover it with a plastic bag and my shower cap, then go ahead and put on my steaming cap for 30 minutes and then wash it off. So guys, this is what my hair looks currently. It looks so good, like I can even feel it. I can feel it when I was touching my hair. My hair looks so beautiful, so healthy, like, you know, like the mixture got into my hair so very well, which I totally love. So after that, I went ahead and of course applied my leave-in conditioner and sealed in the whole mixture with my hair butter and hair oil. And then this is the protective style that I made, which the video will be coming up just soon.